Hey y'all, welcome back to Adventuring with Amanda. Thank you so much for being here. I am hanging out in my van. It's actually really gorgeous in the desert right now. We're finally experiencing some fall temperatures. And so I'm chilling in my van, but I want to get some suggestions, recommendations from you guys. So I'm sitting here in this seat in my van, and something that I've been wanting to do for a while is get something to put my fridge on top of. Now I'm limited on space because I don't want to move the hanging organizer I have on the back of my seat because that's just never going to move. It's literally perfect for my trash bags and Winston stuff, so I don't want to move it. So I'm limited on space between the top of the fridge and the bottom of the hanging organizer, but I want to put my fridge like almost on top of something, like on top of some sort of like wide, narrow drawer. Now I had purchased some stackable shelving units from Lowe's, but they were just too tall. So I need like a, I'm thinking something that's like, I don't know, maybe just like 4 inches tall. That's like a drawer that I can put the fridge on top of. So it's pretty light when there's nothing in there. It's heaviest on this portion. So it's not like super heavy. I'm thinking something like wood, or because the thing is, since I store all of my cold food in my fridge, there's a leaf in there. Since I store all my cold food in my fridge, I also want to be able to put just some small items beneath it, like I don't know, just like small food items that go in conjunction with the cold food in my fridge. I guess what I'm trying to say is ultimately I'm looking for something to put, I'm looking for a storage unit of sorts to put my fridge on top of that's only 4 to 6 inches high because I'm limited on height space. But I need it to be narrow because I don't want to take up all my floor space. So I'm just not really sure what to do. I've looked for like those plastic storage drawers, like getting like one single drawer, but I haven't found one that'll work for this spot. So I don't really know. Do you guys have any suggestions for me? I will say that I keep my dry food behind this seat in my 3-door storage unit, but it would just be nice to have one extra drawer underneath the fridge for dry food items. Let me know what you guys think. I'm kind of thinking I might end up having to build something that fits in this space perfectly. I do have like 2 inches on either side of the fridge, and it doesn't have to be perfect and it doesn't have to sit under the fridge perfectly, but it has to be sturdy enough to hold it with food in it and not move around, etc. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you have suggestions for me, I'm really open to any and all ideas because I haven't really thought of anything yet. And this is the Alpicool C20L, so it's the 20-liter fridge that I purchased on Amazon, and I also have additional videos about it, so if you guys have questions about it, you can check those out. But in the meantime, thank you so much for watching and helping me out. I really appreciate you guys. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and we will see you next time.